Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do exercise 10 in Unit 9, Advanced Array Concepts. So this is our exercise that we're doing. Morgan's department store distributes bonuses to its salespeople after the holiday rush. The table below shows the bonuses, which are based on full week's work during the season and the number of positive outreach online customer reviews. So we're supposed to write a program that allows a user to continuously enter values for the two bonus determining factors and display the appropriate bonus, and using 99 as our sentinel value. So here's our table. We're using columns and rows. So it's a two function array. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay, so how is this represented? Well, how do we enter this? So these are our values here that we're going to express. We're going to express them in rows, and then, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6. Well, actually, row 0, and there's 7 rows altogether, I guess. Okay, so here's the values. So we start off representing our table, opening and closing curly braces, and there's a curly brace for each row. So that's how we're expressing each particular value. Okay, and so this is going to be the double brackets. Okay, so each bracket's representing a row and a column. We're filling up the rows in this particular fashion. So the first thing I want to do is I want to create a 2D array to store bonus information. So I'm going to set up my bonuses in row by row. So I have an opening curly brace for the table and an opening curly brace for the row next. Okay, there you go. The first row's value, 5, 9, 16, 22, and $30 respectively. And here you go, the second row, 10, 12, 18, 24, and 36. So you can put these all on one line, but it makes sense to do them on separate lines so you can see what you're doing. So here's my third row, 20, 25, 32, 42, and $53. Here's the fourth row, 32, 38, 45, 55, and $68 respectively. And here's the fifth week. For 0 hours work, $46 bonus. For 1 customer review, 54. For 2 customer reviews, 65. For 3 customer reviews, 77. And for 4 or more customer reviews, 90. Works the same for the fifth week here. $60 for no customer reviews, $70 for 1, 84 for 2, 96 for 3, and $120 for 4. And finally, for our last row of the table, we have our bonus 6 or more weeks, $85 for no reviews, $100 for 1 review, $120 for 2, $140 for 3, and $175 for 4 or more reviews. So we've got our basic bonuses set up. We've got some other things we need to set up here. We need to do the scanner because we're looking for user input. Another variable we need to enter is the quit number, that we want them to put in 99 to quit. We need a variable for the number of weeks they worked. We need a variable for the number of reviews they had. So the next thing I need to do is prompt the user for the number of full weeks she worked. So we have system out print enter the number of full weeks work, or quit and then put type in 99. So I'm going to put in there whatever the reviews are, going to be the numbers they put in here. So now I need to do the following stuff as long as weeks are not equal to quit. So I want a while loop. Do this particular formula as long as I'm not quitting yet. So I'm going to go while weeks are not equal to quit. So now I'm going to prompt the user for the number of positive reviews. So whatever the number that the user puts in, I'm going to put into the reviews variable. So now I'm going to check to see, are the weeks greater than or equal to the length of the bonuses? If so, I'll put in the length of the bonuses minus 1. In other words, if they have 4 bonuses, the length of the bonuses minus 1 is 3. So this is how it's going to look. If the number of weeks work are greater than or equal to the length of the bonuses in the row, then that weeks is equal to bonuses length minus 1. Okay, remember we're starting at 0. We're always starting at 0. So we've got to recognize that, in our calculations. We've checked the weeks, now we're going to check the reviews. Okay, if reviews, we've chosen the row, what week we're in. Now we're choosing the column, how many bonuses they had. So now if the reviews are greater than or equal to the bonus 0 dot length minus 1. Remember, our table starts at 0. So now we're going to output the correct bonus amount. So first we're going to print out system out print line, bonus for how many weeks they were, weeks and blank reviews, positive reviews is, and then we're going to go bonuses and week reviews. Next we're going to say enter full number of weeks print worked or quit to quits, just like we did up here, way up at the top, okay? Because so he's either going to put in 99 or he's going to put in new weeks and we start this loop all over again. Okay? So now I need to end this curly loop, curly brace. So I should have 3 altogether. So now I'm going to run my code. I forgot a comma after line 12. Let me run the code again. I had declared int weeks twice. One of these declarations has to be reviews. Enter full number of weeks worked or 99 to quit. Enter number of positive reviews received. Bonus for 6 weeks and 4 positive reviews is 175. Enter number of full weeks or 99 to quit. Let's do 99. There you go. It's all good. So what do? We copy all this and then we save it to a text file and turn it in to be graded. Go File, Save As, Unit 9, Exercise 10, or you can call it main.java. I click Save, and I'm done, ready to turn it in.